I didn't hear that.
I want to see more fire. 1014 at 135 on left lane. 1168 at 123 in the right lane.
I'm picking classic.
The old school. Second left lane, the dart.
I'm picking classic.
67 Dart GTS. That would be my flavor in Mopar.
Which one are you picking?
Hard to mess with that late model muscle over there. Sit in the right lane. You just go pick
I got the
the
classic.
Did it with the credit card, and all of a sudden you're in the nines. And I have called small
The
tire.
sun's going
Small
down
tire
now.
to the back of the lane. Small tire.
Look at the sun's going down. Really got Honda again.
It's actually pretty fast.
It is gonna win next round. Oh,
To the right lane, his spurs was jingling and jangling just a touch. We're going to get him brought up into the memes.
I know.
And we all got to start somewhere. So here we go. We're all in. Oh, the left lane leaves before the tree back. You left early and I still got there first. 10:38, 137.
I know, I saw that. That's just.
Yeah. And my dreams just came true. That sun went behind that mountain range over there. I can see again.
I'm going with that Honda. That's hilarious. I'm going with the Honda.
It's not like he's supercharged.
I'm going with the Honda though. Oh. Wait, the cars that I said we can go there is still there.
So this is kind of an odd matchup. And I know what the truck runs over there in the far lane, so that's where I'm riding. But I'm an import guy. I like what they do. I like the horsepower per cubic inch, horsepower per liter. Yeah, you know, all that fun stuff. And I've seen some fast ones. I used to travel with IFO, Import Face Off. I had good times doing that. But I do like my American muscle, so I'm going to ride with the big old 6,200 pound hot rod the right. Set up for that. Right lane goes 11:29. Left lane goes 10:58
Wow,
for the 9.
you're gonna beat him.
Now, Greg Lemno, I tell everybody, the best Lemno car runs 1050. And they're like, don't you got a sandbag? And I'm like, no, not really. You just got to be able to drive your car. The little pickup truck in the right lane looks substantial.
I'll do the other one on the
I like
left.
these little D8s or SSs, man. They're just good looking cars. They're hard to find, kind of rare.
I'm picking the truck on the left.
Okay, I got the right. What is that, Trailblazer?
SUV?
I think it's a Trailblazer.
So the little Silverado on the left lane taking on the Trailblazer SS.
What the heck?
I thought I was going to come off the track. He's slow rolling, hopefully not leaking anything. I want to remind you racers, if you're slow rolling and you think your car might be broke, go ahead and pull her out of the groove. please, and thank you.
21 seconds. Haha.
We got the Infiniti brothers.
Uh-oh, not
Their
again.
spurs are definitely jingling and jangling. They are ready
Same
to rock
car.
and roll.
Look at them. They're going back.
They're the same car.
I was
Wait, a McLaren!
Customizer when those G35
A
coupes came out.
McLaren!
I love going to pick those things up. The little Brembo brake Nismo edition. Fun little cars to drive. Working over his money right now. Wow. That's my flavor. 3 pedals are greater than 1, always. Maybe not faster, but definitely greater. 1511.
Look at that McLaren, looks
I think
sick.
15 to 99. Seems to me like that's what my stock S10 truck ran back in 96 with the Vortec V6. Oh, the McLaren. I can dig it.
Brianna, that car's really
Alright, this
expensive.
last pair right here. Then we're going to prep for small tire.
Brianna,
Small tire.
Brianna,
Oh, we got one car
that
in the
thing's
water. Okay.
expensive.
So this is the
That
last
white
pair,
car.
We got a single in the water, so I wasn't
It cost
lying
me
to
like
you.
500,000 or something. Or
And
around
the ambulance sends
400,000.
that away. You drove by us, got 7 seconds to light that bottom bulb, or you're going to go red. Oh, not hard for race. Okay, we'll just play that way.
Go,
And now
bro.
McLaren doesn't want to go.
No wonder.
Like a staging battle on top of a racing battle.
Come on, McLaren.
Back into a staging battle. And I think the starter needs a blood pressure cuff on him right now.
Shit. Uh-oh. This is taking a while. What is that, like a 720S
Our
or
lanes are
something?
empty. We are going to do some track prep.
What's the McLaren doing? He's still gonna beat him up.
That's a McLaren 720S. I don't know what happened to that McLaren. The McLaren just went 100 miles per hour.